Acids and bases. Friends, let's taste the lemon juice and baking soda. Oh no, lemon is sour in taste, while baking soda is bitter in taste. Do you know the reason for this? Let me explain you. Lime juice contains chemicals that belong to the family of acids. Acids are substances that are sour to taste. The word acid comes from a Latin word acere, which means sour. On the other hand, baking soda belongs to the family of bases. Bases are the substances that have a bitter taste and soapy to touch. Let us find out the acids and their sources in our daily life. For example, vinegar contains acetic acid. Lemon and orange contain citric acid. Tamarind and grapes contain tartaric acid. All citrus fruits contain ascorbic acid, while curd contains lactic acid. Let us find out the bases and their sources in our daily life. For example, lime water contains calcium hydroxide. Soap contains sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Milk of magnesium contains magnesium hydroxide. Neutralization reactions. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Acid plus base, salt plus water. Let us learn neutralization reaction with the help of an experiment. Take a conical flask and fill it with 20 milliliter sodium hydroxide. Now add 2 or 3 drops phenolphthalein solution in it. What do you observe? You find that the sodium solution turns pink. What will you conclude from this? This means sodium hydroxide is basic in nature. Now take dilute hydrochloric acid in a burette. Add acid drop by drop into conical flask with constant shaking. Stop adding of hydrochloride acid when pink color solution completely disappears. We conclude that when solution turns colorless, sodium hydroxide is completely neutralized by hydrochloric acid. In digestion, do you know that our stomach contains hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid is essential for the digestion of food. Sometimes our stomach produces excess acid, which causes pain and irritation. This condition is known as acidity or indigestion. To get relief from this condition, milk of magnesia is used as an antacid. Milk of magnesia contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a mild base. It reacts with excess acid present in the stomach and neutralizes it. This is an example of neutralization reaction, that is, reaction taking place between an acid and a base. Ant sting. In our everyday life, we observe many examples of neutralization reactions. For example, a honeybee's sting causes pain and irritation, as it contains formic acid. Similarly, when a bee bites, it injects formic acid into the skin, which causes pain and irritation. To neutralize the effect of formic acid, baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate or zinc carbonate can be applied on the skin for relief. Indicators. What are indicators? Substances that are used to identify acidic or basic nature of substances are called indicators. Indicators produce different color when added to acidic or basic solution. They are classified as natural indicators, synthetic indicators, and olfactory indicator. In this case, you will be studying only natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are litmus solution or paper, China rose and turmeric. Synthetic are phenolphthalein and methyl orange and methyl red.